So I really like that kit that I use on this car, and look at the result. So they guarantee the headlight to look like this for life. But there's another product on the market that I just want to try it. We're gonna compare at the end of the video if it's any good compared to this kit that I use on the BMW 128i. So this is the kit that I use on this BMW. As you can see, they're claiming that it's guaranteed for life. But there's a product that I really want to try. This is the kit that we're gonna try today. You need the drill to use this kit. So at the end of the video, we're gonna compare the result on this 3M Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit against my all-time favorite so far is the Cerakote Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit. So the Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit by 3M, I'm gonna use it on my 2016 Honda CR-V. First I have to look for my drill and spray bottle, because it says here that you need to supply a drill, spray bottle and water, paper towel and detail cloth. So this is my 2016 Honda CR-V. As you can see, the headlight is really oxidized. It's terrible. It's really bad. And also we're gonna do the center section here. This one, because this one is also oxidized, we're gonna clean this with the same restoration kit. So at the end of the video, we're gonna compare the two, the CR-V with the 3M headlight restoration kit, or the BMW with the Cerakote restoration kit. So guys, let's get started. Check out what's inside. So we have 6 500 grit disc. We have one Trisac 3000 disc. We have 4 800. We have the sanding pad with Velcro, 3M painter's tape, the instruction, gloves, and 2 headlight clear coats. So by the way guys, before we start, if you want to see the Cerakote headlight restoration kit video, you can check out the restoration I did on the BMW 128i. I'm gonna put down the link down below. Just go check it out. So it's up to you to decide which one do you want to use on your headlight. So first off, we're going to start with the 500 grit. So this is going to be dry sanding. We're not going to spray water onto the headlights. So now it's time to do the 800 grit. The purpose of the 800 grit is to make these scratches to be more finer. So now that we finished with the 800 grit, we're gonna do the 3000 grit. We're gonna use this 3000 grit and do a wet sanding on both headlights. So with a water bottle, you spray the 3000 grit. So you can see it's getting better already. I'm gonna do another pass. It's already looking better now. Okay, now so we're gonna do the headlight clear coat onto the lens, but first you have to wear the gloves. We're gonna do a pass side to side with a 25 to 50% overlap, and if you accidentally touch the body, you can just wipe it off with a rag just to take it out. So once we completed both headlights, we have to wait 15 minutes before we do the second clear coat. Okay. Don't need to put much pressure on this. After 15 minutes, when it's dry, now it's time to do the second coat. And after that, we have to wait 1 hour for it to dry before we take it out on the road or before you expose it to the weather. Second coat. It's hard to see the line. And everything is clear. So this is what it looks like right now. So the logo came out really good. Same thing on this side. So the 3M is not bad, but still the problem with the 3M is you can still see the swirls from the drill marks from the sanding, and this is difficult to see when the lens are fogged up so you cannot clearly see if all the scratches disappeared from the fine sanding from the 800 and also from the 3000. So that's the only concern about this 3M. It's not bad, it's pretty clear than before. Even the emblem came out good. So as for the Cerakote, as you can see, you don't have any drill marks because we didn't use a drill on this one. We just did a hand sanding side to side. That's why we don't have those lines, and it's pretty clear, as you can see. It's nice and clear. So here are my thoughts about these two headlight restoration kit. First, we're going to talk about the 3M Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit. As you see on the video, the 3M Headlight Restoration Kit still leaves some swirl marks because of the aggressive sanding from the drill. So it's going to be a while before you can remove all those scratches with fine sanding from the 800 and also from the 3000. So that's going to take more time and labor. Also, one more thing, the 3M is only protecting your headlights for 2 years. After 2 years, maybe you need to restore your headlights again. The price with the Cerakote and the 3M is basically almost the same. But as you can see, with the 3M, you're required to have a drill and more effort on sanding the oxidation instead of the Cerakote, which is it has the oxidation remover wipes, which reduces the effort of sanding the headlights. But in this case, the 3M doesn't have that, so you have to remove the oxidation manually by sanding it aggressively with the 500 grit sandpaper that's included in the kit. Probably if you do a good job on sanding all the scratches at the end of the sanding process, maybe you're gonna get a good result from the 3M. But like I said, it's only good for 2 years. So that's my only complaint about this 3M. And now for the Cerakote, as you can see on my previous video, this one doesn't require drill. You can do hand sanding, and it has the oxidation remover, so you don't need to work as hard by sanding it with the drill. You can just use your hand to remove the oxidation and do a bit of sanding, and after that you can treat it with a ceramic clear coat. And the good thing about this, it's good for life. So you don't need to reapply again or restore your headlights again after 2 years. It's good for life. That's why they put it on the guarantee here. So I don't know if that's true, but for now, I think Cerakote for me is the clear winner. Like I said, the price is almost the same. You need to do less effort here than the 3M. You don't need a drill. It's good for life. You don't need to restore it again after 2 years. So the way I see it, the clear winner is still my all-time favorite, which is the Cerakote Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit. So that's it for the video, guys. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.